Greetings. I'm Princess, well known as Emma. This birthday, I will have a friend over to spend the night, and we might be doing a Johnny Ghost, Johnny Toast whole act thing. But our characters will not be named Johnny Johnny. They will be named Jordan. I'm gonna try to talk my friend into spending the night this weekend and seeing if it's okay with my parents and all that. And hopefully the video will go well as planned. And yes, the video probably will be scripted. I didn't really want to have any of my videos be scripted because, well, kind of like them training intro. But mainly because I just want everyone to see what actually happens, and there might be some bonus or something out there for everyone to see, but hopefully it will also get me more subscribers. And I don't really care too much for the subscribers, just as long as people enjoy my videos and appreciate that what I have to say is, well, what I do is just what I like to do. And I was inspired by them Tell and all of that. I'm pretty sure I told you this on my first video. But, yeah, I think that's all. Bye!